Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode on this phone. And to get started, simply pull down your notification panel and look for the battery saver somewhere in here. Oh, there we go. Ultra power saving mode's right here in the corner. So let's enable it. Now this is the more extensive power saving mode. So as you can see, it turns off basically monochrome, so everything is just kind of grayish. Additionally, it does several additional things in the background, like for instance turning off your mobile network and Wi-Fi when the device is considered to be in a sleep mode. And yeah, so that is basically the power saving mode. Now once you're done with it, you want to turn it off. Go back to your notification panel and tap on it once more, and everything will go back to normal, as you can see. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.